Hello, my students. How are you today? I hope you are all doing well. I miss you so much. Are you ready to study? Good, very good. Now, I want you to open your student's book and I want you to go to Unit 8, page 73. Unit 8, page 73. Are you ready? Now, I want you to pay attention. Okay? Can you do that? Thank you so much. Unit 8, at work. Vocabulary, Student's Book, pages 73 and 74. Police officer. Police officer. Teacher. Teacher. Waiter. Waiter. Doctor. Doctor. Singer. Singer. Musician. Musician. Dancer. Dancer. Cook. Cook. Pilot. Pilot. Engineer. Engineer. Once upon a time. Student's Book, page 76. Dialogue. The Tin Soldier. Hello. Hello, chef. I want a fish. Here you are. Thank you. What's this? Johnny, is this your toy? Yes, it is. Does he dance? No, he doesn't. Does he sing? Yes, he does. Beautiful dancer, dance for me, and happy together we can be. You sing very well. Activity 1, Student's Book, page 77. Does she work in a hospital? Yes, she does. She is a doctor. Does he work in a hospital? No, he doesn't. He works in a restaurant. Does he work in a school? Yes, he does. He is a teacher. Does he work in a restaurant? No, he doesn't. He works in a police station. Does he play the piano? No, he doesn't. He plays the guitar. Does she dance? No, she doesn't. She is a singer. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe. See you soon. Goodbye, my students.